Hello guys, so now we shall be discussing regarding the anterior relations of the stomach. Okay, so we shall discuss about the anterior relations of the stomach. So what are the anterior relations of the stomach? So first of all, before we discuss the anterior relations of the stomach, you have to know that this is the body wall. Okay, let us say this is the body wall. Okay, and all of you know that here we have got the diaphragm. This is our diaphragm. Okay, and exactly here you even have got your stomach. So this is the stomach over here. Now next important thing is that exactly at this place you have got your liver. All of you know that, right? So this is the place of your liver. Now if you exactly look, this is just a two-dimensional diagram. So what are the structures that are covering the stomach over here is what that is important for us, right? Now the structures which are covering the stomach over here is that if you carefully look over here, there are quite many structures. For example, you see this area over here which I will be shading right now, see this area, right? So this is the area of the liver that is covering the stomach, right? So this is the area of the liver that is covering the stomach. So this is area related to the liver, area which is related to the liver. This is one important thing. The next important thing is the diaphragm. Actually diaphragm I have drawn it in the form of a single line, but diaphragm is a vast sheet, okay, sheet which is all the way down over here. So what I am trying to tell you is that this part of or this area is called as the area that is related to the diaphragm. Area that is related to the diaphragm. Okay, and next important thing is that covering all of this, what do you have? Covering all of this, you will have an anterior abdominal wall, right? So covering this picture like this on the top, you will have anterior abdominal wall covering your stomach, covering all this. This is the anterior abdominal wall which you will have here, right? So this entire is the area that is related to anterior abdominal wall. Area related to anterior abdominal wall area. Okay, so these are the three important things. So what are the three important things here? One is the area related to the liver, another one is area related to the diaphragm, and third one is area related to the anterior abdominal wall. So these are the three structures which are present anterior to stomach. If this is the stomach, anterior to this here you have got liver, this entirely is the diaphragm, and in front of the diaphragm there you have your anterior abdominal wall. So these are the structures which you need to remember over here. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye.